Is it possible that you might desire and ask for the wrong things in prayer?
Ye ask and receive not, because ye ask amiss, that ye may consume it upon your lust.
This verse is a perfect example of why you need to ask for God's will to be done when you ask for things in prayer. There are many things that are attractive to human beings in this life: money, power, and other material things. Even the companionship of another, whether romantic or friendly. Sometimes, God will bless you immediately when you ask Him for these things. Other times, He won't give you what you've asked for right away. Maybe it's not the right time. Or maybe what you're asking would ultimately be bad for you. If it appears that God isn't giving you something you want, remember that His ultimate desire is to save you from sin.